Hello friends, today we are going to learn something very interesting. We will learn how a mobile phone sends messages. Let us understand this using one small example. You are sending a WhatsApp message. You are sending hi to your friend. First step. You open WhatsApp. You type the message. Hi. This is called input. Input means something we give to the phone. Now the phone starts syncing. Inside the phone, there is a brain. This brain is called the processor. CPU, also called processor, is the brain of the phone. It understands what you type and what to do next. Just like your brain understands what the teacher says, the phone's brain understands the word hi. Now, the next step is RAM. RAM is the short memory of the phone. It is inside the mobile phone. It remembers things only for a short time. RAM keeps the message ready while WhatsApp is open. That is why the phone works quickly and smoothly. Now comes the next step. The phone changes your message hi into a signal. A signal is a message that can travel from one place to another. That is how messages move. Now the signal leaves your phone. It travels outside and it goes to a mobile tower. A mobile tower is a tall structure that helps phones send and receive signals. It helps the signal move forward, and the message continues its journey. The signal now travels through a network. A network is when many phones are connected together so they can share messages. The network helps the signal move from your phone to another phone, even if the phones are far apart. Now the signal keeps traveling. The internet helps the signal go far. The internet is like a big online road. It connects many phones and computers all over the world. Now, a server comes to help. A server is a big computer that helps deliver messages to the right phone. The server's job is to find your friend's phone so the message can be delivered safely. Now the signal has finally reached your friend's phone. This moment is called output. Output means the information or message the device shows on the screen. Finally, your friend sees a message hi on the screen. This means the message has been delivered successfully. Let us remember the steps. Type the message. Phone brain syncs. RAM helps fast. Message becomes a signal. Signal goes to tower. Network and internet help. Message reaches another phone. Friends, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.